Hello crafties, welcome to this video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be unbagging my mystery yarn order from Darn Good Yarn here. Excuse the voice overlay, the audio from my original recording is a little messed up, but regardless I am super excited to be sharing this experience with you guys. So part of the challenge here will also be talking for 7 minutes. Here I'm just rambling on about how much I love my previous yarn orders. I am a subscriber to their $10 box every month. The link for discounts is down in my description below. Also, I'll try my best to find the yarns that I find in the bag and link them in my description below. And now I'm getting to the part where I open it and I'm looking and fishing, and first of all they gave me this nifty little booklet with basically their social media info. They gave me a few QR codes for their blog and their tutorials. They're a very immersive community, and I really love Darn Good Yarn because they do support that community feeling. They support women from third world countries, and through fair trade they have these people to build these beautiful yarns and materials out of recycled fibers such as silk and other various things. I believe that one of my yarns is banana fiber. Anywho, they also give me a little nifty DIY friendship bracelet, which is cool. I think this would be really interesting for kids. Alright, get into the yarn. So I think the first one I pulled out was this gray and almost burgundy color. It is called Crimson Fire. It is a roving silk yarn. It's worsted weight, so it's a hand wash only yarn. They gave me 50 grams and it's 75 yards. It's an Amina silk. I'm sorry, Anamika. That word gives me trouble. Anamika silk. The gauge for it, knitting is 4 to 5 millimeters, and then for crochet it's 5.5 to 6.5 millimeters, which, because I am subscribed to their box, I was given a crochet hook and a set of knitting needles for that fit their yarns. The next yarn that I seem to be holding up here is a banana fiber. It is called Kaleidoscope. It's very pretty. It's very, you can tell it's handmade, but it's also very strong, I feel. And it's this beautiful, eclectic looking and feeling yarn. I feel like if I had enough of these, I would make a cardigan or some kind of large piece to wear. A garment. There's my words. I'm so terrible at these things. We're 3 minutes in, guys. I love how this feels. To me, they're silks. I guess because they're rovings, they feel like cotton to me. But I'm sure after these have been soaked and taken care of, they change texture over time. So that's something I can look past. And of course, I always do a smell test on my yarns. I don't know why. It's just a force of habit. And then especially since it says banana fiber, expecting those banana leaves. Super hyped. They also gave me a bunch of little notions, but before I get to that, I want to talk about this last hank of yarn. It is called Penny Candy. It is a fair trade recycled silk 3-ply uncarded yarn. It is 200 grams or 27 yards of recycled silk yarn, and it was once headed to the landfill, but they saved it, they recycled it. It's hand wash or dry clean. So I'm thinking with these I might make a bunch of little face masks like I did with the Joseph one over on Instagram. They also sent me a few notions. They sent me this pack of buttons that it's like a 4-pack, so I guess I can make a little smaller buttonholes with these and just sew them on with regular thread. They also gave me this button that is Incomparable Butters. No. Incomparable buttons. I am so bad at reading. Okay. Giving employment to women in South Africa. It's called buttonmad.com. I'm going to run over there and check it out because I'm just genuinely curious about it, and I like companies that support women. And then it's March, so this is like the perfect time to receive this kind of stuff. I think it's amazing, and I think that the support that this company does for both the disabled and for women who are not able to make a lot of money, they just enable them so they can achieve a brighter future. Blah. By the way, I am not sponsored by Darn Good Yarn. I just ramble on and on because I like what they stand for. They also gave me these little tassel things. They're like little baby tassels. And I don't know what I want to use them for. I feel like I could attach them to zipper heads, make something decorative. Maybe if I make a colorful cardigan at some point, I can use these on the zippers instead of your traditional zipper tag and just use those. And they also gave me this hook thing. It looks like a feather, but it also looks like a shawl pin, or it could be used as a shawl pin. I have no idea. I'm going to get inventive with it. It's beautiful. It looks aged and eclectic and gorgeous. Of course, it's not here, but anywho, I am coming to the end of this video, thank God. And so I hope you enjoyed watching me open up my yarn, my facial expressions, yada yada. At the end of this video, I was talking about making a tutorial on how to use hanks because I find that that's a skill that people don't have. But anywho, until next time guys, happy making.